This is directory structure of Linux operating system. If you talk about the root directory, it's top level directory of Linux operating system. It contains all system configuration and all files required for the operating system to function. And if you talk about slash home is a user directory. It contains all user level files or user. If we create a user, let's suppose if we create a user Oracle app, if we create a user SQL, so all user personal files will be created on slash home by default. And we can also create the user file on another directory, but by default, if we create a directory for the user, it will automatically create in slash home. If, for example, if you create a user Oracle, so it will create a user slash home slash Oracle. If you create a user Combrand, it will also create a folder slash home slash Combrand. So all the files related for the Kamran, it will create and slash home slash Kamran and slash home slash Oracle. If you talk about the slash etc which contain the configuration file. By default, all operating system configuration file will be created on the etc folder. Slash for all operating system log file will all be generated on slash var. Slash var messages also the uh, log file related to the operating system, and all device files also be generated in slash tab. If we talk about the CD-ROM file will be created on slash tab. And the second last is slash TMP. All temporary files related to any software will be generated on slash TMP. And last one as slash OPT. Any third-party software, if you install any third-party software in our operating system, so by default, this software will be installed in slash opt. We can install this operating system, this software in another directory as well. By default, it will create in slash opt. For example, if you want to install the um, IBM backup solution, so it will automatically install in slash opt.